Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Are you a caregiver, home care professional, or support agency trying to help people with disability? Becoming a personal assistance services (PAS) provider in Delaware is a great opportunity. PAS providers offer hands-on assistance with daily living tasks, such as bathing, dressing, light housekeeping, meal prep, and mobility support for individuals with disabilities or chronic health needs. These services are authorized through the Delaware Lifespan Waiver, administered by the Division of Developmental Disabilities Services, DDDS, and must align with each participant's individual service plan, ISP. To get started, first register your business, obtain an NPI, and apply with DDDS by submitting your service model, staff qualifications, and care documentation processes. Once approved, enroll with Delaware Medicaid, DMAP for billing, and begin coordinating with support coordinators for referrals. Need expert help to start your agency today? Waiver Consulting Group is here to help you build a fully compliant PAS program. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172.